Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove subtitles on CapCut PC. So for instance, you went to text and you generated a caption here. Okay, I have one use left, so I'm just going to do that. And then once you generate the captions, for instance, you want to delete a text or you want to edit it, here's a way to do that. I'm still waiting for the text to generate. It does take a few minutes depending on how long your video is. I might make it shorter. As you can see, just made it a little bit faster. Okay, so for instance, I want to delete it. You can either just select it here and press delete, or you can go to the actually now you can just delete it because they used to have a batch edit, but apparently you can edit it now here, or go to captions here, I guess, and then select the one you want to delete and just press delete like this. It's going to automatically delete your captions, or do it here. That is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.